Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python very fast. To begin, focus on understanding the core concepts such as variables, data types, and basic control flow. Select a well-structured online course or tutorial that offers interactive exercises to solidify your understanding. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 1 hour of dedicated practice every single day to build momentum and retain information effectively. To truly master Python quickly, active engagement is crucial. Don't just read about code, write it. Practice coding small, focused programs every day to reinforce the new skills you acquire. Challenge yourself with online coding problems to sharpen your problem-solving abilities and apply what you've learned in different scenarios. This hands-on approach accelerates your learning curve significantly. Applying your knowledge through projects is a powerful way to learn fast. Start with small personal projects that genuinely interest you, like a simple calculator or a text-based game. Consider collaborating with other learners. This exposes you to different coding styles and problem-solving approaches. Regularly review and refactor your own code to identify areas for improvement and enhance your overall coding quality. To further accelerate your Python journey, delve into specialized libraries that align with your interests, whether it's data science, web development, or automation. Engage with online Python communities. They offer invaluable support, answer complex questions, and provide insights into advanced topics. Remember, continuous learning is vital. Also, for some great deals and that awesome sock link, make sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.